Ano sasabihin ko?
Ano lang. Hi everyone.
May pag hey friends.
Hey friends.
Can I have a voice?
Wait, I mean yun yung start talaga na ano lang.
We thought it's a good time to stream because you guys don't have a stream for tonight. Charot.
We have planned this for a long time, but ngayon lang talaga may common. Tinanggal ko sa Facebook, ayoko makita yung sarili sa Facebook.
Pag nag-live, i-share ko sa ano ko. Para yung mga kamag-anak ko mag event.
Para yung mga kamag-anak.
Smile lang po. Chill lang. Mali daw yung Steve.
Oops, tanggalin ang sound ng cellphone. Ay. Uy, ikot tapos na first game. Ng PBL ah. Sabay naggagawa ng kanwa dito ng PBL.
Live na tayo. Napindot ko na yung live. Going
Live
live
na?
na video.
Oh my God.
Teka, i-share ko muna sa mga kamag-anak ko.
Oh my God! So, once i-live ko ito, mic kayo.
Hot mic.
Anytime, 5, 4, 3, 2. Usap lang kayo.
Bakit live na ba?
Yes, for live.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Testing.
I don't see it. Papasukin mo muna yung mga tao para tayong tao nagsasalito. Ano? Eh, na-live na siya.
It's real. Ito na po ang kalokohan. Char. Send mo na kay JB.
Still
Yes,
driving.
Ay.
Hi.
Can you see like how many tuning in?
Ayoko magbukas eh.
Oh. Let's see. Oh, 3.
Ooh.
Tayo lang yun. 3.
Ay, hindi pa ako nagbubukas.
3 viewers.
Ay,
Tayo lang yun.
Hindi ako nagbukas ha. Nakabukas ba sa akin?
No.
Hindi nakabukas sa akin. Ay, wow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano, pabubuksan ko ba sa kapatid ko?
Viewers at the day.
Ay!
Sino?
Ay, wow.
Sino?
Eh, gusto ko yung ano, may pa per second, third. Gusto ko yun. Nakita ko na.
Bakit biglang nagbago yung caption nito, Iko? This is not what I approve. Charing. Charing na.
Well, in fairness, 11. Totoo ba talaga to?
11 tayo nga.
Hello!
Tayo nga 11. 1, 2, 3. 11 viewers. Pag nag-15.
May raffle.
May raffle lang po.
Raffle na yung, ano,
Oh my God.
pork adobo ni...
Mataas talaga siya.
Kasi nga, shinare ko na sa mga kamag-anak ko.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng ano, have you seen yung The Masters, yung social media nila? Ang ganda.
Masters pa.
So,
Yung sa golf.
Kaso,
Ang
I don't play
ganda.
golf. I'm
Oh my God,
sorry.
fourth.
Tinan mo.
Si Obs.
Tinan mo yung ano.
May nag-fourth. Si Obs.
Kasi tapos may music pa sila. Ang ganda ng concept
Oh,
nila.
that's nice.
8-10, 8-10.
Ayan, 8. Sige na nga. Hi, guys. I don't have a voice. This is the fault of Cebu FC. I'm sorry. Yeah, so welcome to our chismisan. Football chismisan, is it?
Not only football chismisan.
Not only football, sige. Not only football. No, so ano ba? So, we've been planning to really have like a sit down and explain what Laban Filipinas is all about. Pero na-delay siya na na-delay kasi masyadong busy yung
WRP.
photographer namin with 8,000 followers. So, yun, so, yun, so also we've decided to make this a live stream kasi we were forced to make this a live stream by our sponsor, Coffee Search and Alt Studios. Hello, Direct Glenn. I'm sorry. Yun. So, as you know, again, I'm sorry, wala akong boses. So, Pam, you'll have to speak at some point. So, I guess, ayun nga, no? So we'd love to introduce ourselves to you guys. So, you know, just a little bit of us working behind the scenes and what our goals are, and again, what we're all about. Pam, siguro you start. Kasi ikaw yung may 8,000 followers.
Tigitan mo talaga ako. Ayaw mo talaga akong tantanan. Doon mas marami yung followers mo.
I only have 1,500 followers.
Tigilan mo. Okay.
Face the camera, sabi ni Direk.
Okay. Sorry guys, talaga napaka-informal from dito. So, okay, I'm Pam. I've been a sports photographer for, well, I started way back 2011. Wow, tagal na. Huwag na tayo magtanong ng age, guys, okay? Hindi yan dapat pinag-uusapan. But then I started 2011 covering the LSU women's football until nag-grow siya. But naging niche or naging mas focus ako sa football itself, women's and men's, and then basketball, women's and men's also for the collegiate one. So, that's where I started lahat. Well, I was once who played football, pero hindi tayo pwedeng tumagal sa paglalaro. So, I wanted still to be a part of the sports community. That's why I chose to be a photographer. Parang yun yung way ko, yun yung path ko na pinili in the end. And now I'm still working on it, honing everything. So, I won't say I'm an expert on it, because yun nga. But it's fun. So, that's basically... favorites. Why influence also. Okay. My first love is basketball, to be honest. First love is basketball. Pero, mas... In terms of playing it, pero mas in love ako manood ng football. And then, mas doon talaga ako pumasok. Mas yun yung ano. And then, right now, all my friends are more on in the football community. So, it's fun. Influence, wala eh. Yung pagpo-photography, wala lang. Gusto mo lang talaga siya. Eventually, naging passion mo na lang siya kasi you wanted to make space. I wanted na hindi makita na magaling ako. It's more on, I want to be a part of the athletes na pinipicturan ko. Once they share it, we're not talking about money here. Once they share it, happy ka na eh. Lalo na nagsa-start ka. Even now, not saying na hindi ako tumatanggap ng kliyente Hindi yun But yun nga, once they share it, it's like your happy moments that they're happy with what you take. I always say, hindi gaganda ang picture ko kung hindi magaling yung player. Yun yung lagi kong hindi maganda ang photo ng isang photographer kung hindi rin maganda yung sa athlete itself. And that's, I always take that, hindi magaling ang photographer kung hindi rin magaling at yung maganda yung pipicturean. So, yan. Favorites, I'll go with kung basketball, I'm a Boston Celtics fan. Football, I'm FC Barcelona, women's and men's. So, Philippines, I would say PBA, San Miguel, and then I'm a bias for LaSalle football and LaSalle basketball. So, favorite player, Alex Morgan. paisip ako Men's, well, of course, Messi. Sorry, Barcelona talaga eh. Wala akong EPL team, so, pero if given a chance, Arsenal.
Lumabas ka na.
Sabi ko na. Arsenal, given a chance, kasi nung time na mga Spanyol pa ang naglalaro sa Arsenal way back, ngayon hindi na eh. So, wala akong PFL team, guys. Sorry. Magalit na yung mga kaibigan natin.
Ayaw mo lang sabihin.
I go football ako sa PFL. Well, when it was UFL, okay? When it was UFL, GAW. GAW, women's and men's. GAW, men's and women's. But now, kaibigan ko kayong lahat, friends. Kaibigan ko lahat. Marami tayong kaibigan sa PFL team. So, I don't have a specific one. Sana wag po kayo magalit sa akin, lalo na yung mga kaibigan natin. So, other than that, of course, I support the men's and women's national football team. And lahat ng national team right now. And I'm a fan right now ng ating women's basketball. Kasi na-involve na tayo sa 3x3. So hopefully, yeah, the dream of covering them also internationally is a goal, a personal goal. So, yeah. So now, Kit, it's your turn.
Kit Kat. Go, Kit Kat.
I'm the youngest of us three.
Yan tayo, wag tayo magsabi ng Okay lang, tanggap ko namang young.
Huwag mo naman kami laglag, Kit.
Wala na lang age. Okay na young.
I've been...
Kit mo gagalit si Derek.
Oh my God. I've been playing football since I was 4. I was influenced by my dad and my older sister. And up until now, still within the football realm because of my mom naman, my late mom who's Miss Kathy Nazareno. Yes, so I'm doing everything now because of her and for her. If it's in terms naman of sports, I actually like all sports in general. I enjoy watching whatever I see. Now, I'm into watching golf, volleyball, and football. A little bit of basketball on the side. But top talaga is football. Di talaga mawawala yun in my life. And I cannot leave it. Parang kulang siya.
Sa kasamang pala.
Kulang siya pag wala ang football there. And then recently, mas involved na also with collegiate volleyball. Ang fun pala manood kung part ka ng school, ng UAAP teams. And if mga international naman, mag-aaway tayong tatlo talaga. Kung Spanish, Real Madrid, all the way, always. If it's English, Manchester United.
Iba-iba din lang. Why are we friends?
If it comes naman to influence or inspiration, si Beckham talaga yung number 1. And then second is, mag-aaway na naman tayo, Ronaldo. Kung saan siya, nagpa-follow din ako.
Saudi team ka na rin.
Saudi din also. Yeah, but mostly them. But if it's for women, the person talaga that I've been watching ever since was Alex Morgan and Hope. Sobrang, sobrang their fighting spirit talaga is the one that inspires me and influences me to continue playing. So, ayun, short. Let's go, manager.
Nilibre ko yan ng kape. Say, Ven, ano ba? I'm not a journalist. Let's get out of it. I consider myself a sports creative, only because I've dabbled into too many things, like from originally photography, I do graphic design, social media management, what else? Podcasting, And now sports writing. Yun. So, anything to sort of improve the access to the players, spread out the good news about women's football, and now other sports as well. Ayun, so if I could really choose just one na ifo-focus ko lang talaga, I did want to be a photographer. Kaya lang, I don't know, maybe we're called to do
Another thing.
different things. Yun. What else? So like Pam, I'm not like super Barcelona fan, but I support Barcelona. But I'm a big Liverpool fan.
Boo!
Shut up. Big Liverpool fan.
Magcha-champion eh.
Big Liverpool fan. But I've been following women's football for quite a while now, more than a decade. So like Pam, I've started following Philippine women's football 2012.
Sabi sa'yo, lalabas talaga
Like,
yung mga year dito.
Shoot. 2012, yon. So, ayun. And then siguro details on how we met. Pam, maybe you could share that with the vlog.
Naku, ito na.
How we met.
How we
Wait lang,
met.
wait lang, basa muna kayong comments.
Okay.
Medyo interesting. Wow.
Talaga ba?
Comments,
Oh my
may
God.
comments. Oh my
Teka
God.
lang.
Hindi chismis.
Hello?
Oh my God, shout out kay kay Kuya Barong. Kuya Barong.
Oo, Kuya Barong.
Si Kuya
Maraming
Barong.
salamat po sa pagbibigay ng platform para sa
Ayan.
mga babaeng atleta ng Pilipinas. Ay wow, wala pa nga tayo dun, pero thank you.
Jonas. Hi, Jonas. Jonas from Abante, Filipinas.
Nabuhay po si Marshall Finn. Nabuhay si Marshall Finn.
Ay, si Tita Ling. Hi, Tita Ling. We met Tita Ling
Hindi
in
ko siya na-meet.
Cebu. Oh my God, we're honored by the presence of Mr. Sedelf Tupas.
Oh my
In the comment
God!
section.
Seryoso?
Pakipusuan nga yan. Pusuan.
Pakipin, hindi ko makita.
Andyan.
Hindi lumalabas.
Andyan siya.
Yan po yung original pong manager.
Ayan, original manager.
Manager po naming lahat yan.
Alyssa is the Alyssa Volleyball. Alyssa Gail Vicente.
Oo, si Lisa. Yes.
Hi, Alyssa.
Wow, grabe. Abot ng
Watching
Canada.
Watching
You were from Canada.
Ayan. Tapos si Obs. Hi, Obs.
Okay. So, yun. Punta na tayo sa...
Teka yung ating live audience. Audience.
May tanong si Mau.
Mahal si Mau?
May tanong. Sabi sa'yo, ay my God.
Si Mau.
Game, tanong muna ako.
Paano po kayo nagkakita?
Ay, wala. Ano yun?
That question. Paano po kayo
Nagkakilala?
Tatlo.
Pam.
Pam.
Okay.
Storytelling alike.
Storytelling na tayo. Okay. So, sabi nga ni Ven, she started covering the national team
2011,
2012. Tapos I started covering LaSalle women's football 2011. And that time, parang may nagbubuo ng an organization for women's football, and it's what you see as the Pinay Football page. Mga boss doon nag-start, doon nagkaroon ng mga boss doon si hi to Chris, Christine, NJ, Jel, Amanda Fernandez,
Batsy.
the mommy,
si Basti,
Sam Bermudez,
Haya.
Joanne Paras, Haya,
Bets. Bettina.
Kylie,
Bettina.
Bettina. Oh, shit, tanda. So, nabuo yun. And then, we started doon. Doon kami unang nag-meet ni Ven. And then, there was this cup that we made or we organized,
Pinay Football League.
Pinay Football League. And then, doon ko nakita si Kit, who was still playing.
High school.
Who was still playing. Kasi puro high school teams. High school and college teams yun, di ba? Age reveal.
Shut up,
We were organizing it. Kit was still playing. Di ba? Ang galing. Di ba? Mga ano namin. Pero hindi ko pa siya, ako personally, hindi ko pa siya kilala.
And then,
I just know kasi yung mom niya. So, alam ko, naglalaro siya with her ate. Your ate was playing sa USD that time, di ba?
Yes, kami Taifa.
Oh, Taifa. Ayun, di ba? Oh, tayo na.
di ba,
May Taifa
di ba
pa?
Chelsea yun?
Yeah, Taifa,
Taifa
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Taifa
My God, may
Yeah.
Taifa
See?
Chelsea
Alam mo the
pa.
reason why I wasn't approaching the Chelsea team? Kasi andun lagi si Phil yung husband.
Ay, oo. Kaya nga sabi ko, Taifa Chelsea pa
Taifa
nga pala
Chelsea,
yun.
oh.
Si Phil, si James. Oo nga sa kanila.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, my God. Wala talaga magre-reveal lang dito. So yun. So, we met. Siguro by kay Kit. But the real parang naging path namin or naging was during the pandemic. PWFA was created during the pandemic because we wanted na magkaroon ng organization or space yung women's football, not only for athletes but also for everyone, like media, referees, coaches, because we want to have an avenue for them. So it was created by Mariel, Coach Shelly, Coach
Tasha.
Candice, Tasha. Ang dami kasi natin.
Dami na.
Sorry Hindi hindi
Paki-open
namin
nga yung
memorize,
group
pero
chat.
may group chat naman Nandun mula, napakarami lang.
Yeah,
But
Ina,
but
Hailey, they were
Ina
all
and
involved.
Hailey Long are part of it
Cameron.
kasi there's the PWFA naman was like merong media side, may marketing side, the athlete side, admin and matchcom side. So nandun lahat. So doon namin na-meet si Kit talaga na kasi she was part of the marketing. Ven and I was part of the media side. Kasi nandun yung, parang nangyari doon was yung expertise mo, doon ka muna i-group para mabuo siya. And then, yun, doon kami talaga na...
And then natapos yung pandemic.
Hanggang sa natapos yung pandemic.
Busy na lahat.
Naging busy na buhay. So, it's not saying na nandyan pa rin si PWFA. Just wait and see. We're just fixing some papers, something to it. Matapos namin ngayong 2025 with Tasha's help. Mabubuo namin yan. So, that's the reason that's the path paano kami nagkakilala. By different expertise, different things in life, but wala napagdugtong-dugtong talaga ng football. Ng women's football.
Yeah, we worked together in the AFF.
And then
That's our first trial of working together.
So yun, like Ven said, naging namin. So yung expertise namin, social media, photography, and marketing, nagbuo ng team si PFF.
Yes, PFF.
Our bossing, so shout out sa mga bossings namin, si Delph Tupas and
The real manager.
Mikel Guzman, because they trusted us. Shit. They trusted us during the AFF Women's Championship kasi that was the first international game in a while that the Philippines hosted. And that was the team who played also actually during the World Cup natin. So that was like our test as a media team because SOCMED heads, photographer. So dun kami naging like really a team behind the scenes of what you see on the AFF page and technically PFF page that time. So that was year 2022. So yun yung aming baptism of fire. Literally, because that was the longest 10 days. Yeah, they're playing, but also we were working so hard with everything because everything was new. And pandemic pa kasi noon, ang daming pang restrictions, ang dami pang bawal. So it was so hard. We were taking photos sa field na nakamask pa. It was so hard. Tas uulan, diba? So, ang dami pa. So, the next one is PF.
World Cup.
World Cup ba muna? Hindi muna World Cup. Women's League muna, diba?
Women's League. Yeah, sorry.
Oo.
Women's League. May sinasabi yung
Ano yung sasabi ng
member ng live audience.
Wala po.
Wala.
Women's League muna.
Yeah, Women's League.
Women's League. A Women's Cup.
Sorry, Women's Cup and then World Cup.
Women's Cup. Hindi pa league yung...
Women's League.
No,
Women's Cup,
League,
Women's League, World Cup.
Okay.
Ang dami.
So yun,
Yeah.
sorry guys. Women's Cup, Women's League, and then World Cup.
World Cup.
Well, actually, yung ang yabang na ano nun eh. So World Cup, pero nag-Women's League sa...
On the side?
On the side.
Yes.
Yes.
Nasa New Zealand, pero gumagana yung Women's League. That's how you delegate. Yes. So, yun yung...
Ano yun?
That's how you delegate work.
Yes.
That's how you delegate work. So, until... Of course, nag-grow.
U17.
Ah, yeah, U17.
U17.
U17, we covered U17 in Bali. We were posting or we were doing everything for PWFA from whatever content it may be.
Yeah.
So, lahat din yun on the ground, online. And then, that's how we wanted to promote that team specifically. Kasi, I mean, parang naging test siya kasi if we can handle international na.
Yeah.
Not saying na we didn't cover the World Cup team, but kasi doon, we're not... Marami pang restrictions. Yan, nilalabas na dyan yung sa...
Pag-usapan natin yung mga restrictions
restrictions
na
na
yan,
yan. Ng FIFA, ng AFC. So, there's a lot of things behind the scenes. Kasi yung sa World Cup, of course, we wanted to have our own din. I mean, we want to experience it kasi first time. I mean,
Yeah.
it was a really, really good experience. Not only as a fan, but also a media person. So, after that, U17, and then, syempre, grow siya. And then, eventually, of course, sa araw-araw na ata kami magkakausap at magkasama.
My God, every other day, girl.
Nag-meeting, tapos nag-Olympic. So, syempre, you promote the athletes, di ba? Men and women. Pero syempre, hindi mo sa bias ka sa women's, di ba? Pero nandun ka sa, of course, proud ka. Hanggang sa yun na, dumating sa point na eventually, why not just football? Diba?
Yeah.
Why not just football? Why stop sa football? Not saying na wala, diba? Of course. Pero, yun nga, kung we can do it for other sports that needs a space. Kasi nakita namin na nag-grow na siya. So, and that's why, I'll turn it over to you. Kasi dun yun eh. Diba?
To 8,000 followers po ba?
Rotate out.
Huwag niyo po seryosohin yung 8,000 followers. Pero wag niyo po ako unfollow. Mag-unfollow, wala ng picture. Joke
So, yun,
lang.
transition natin.
Transition. Going to...
Yeah, so,
May question po dito.
yes.
Ayan po. May question po
Like,
sa audience.
yes po. Yes po.
Question po, bakit po naging Laban Pilipinas ang tawag ngayon?
Ito na nga. I-explain ko na. So, when was this? October, November?
Kailan ba yung Instagram picture natin?
Yeah, so October, November of last year, we had
Finally sit
dinner.
down.
Parang sit down kasi we figured for the last 2 years, lagi hindi kami nag-aaway, kaming tatlo. And then we continuously October, we were continuously working together, and then we figured we have a lot in common in terms of what we want to do in terms of like sports media. Ayun, tapos we just decided na maybe we should just make it official and work together.
All sports.
Kasi, then all sports. To be honest, like, there were a lot of, baka ako lang yun. No, kasi we figured, it was you, Kit, no? Like you asked, like, is it going to be okay na? Let's i-transition na lang yung Filipinas football to Laban Filipinas instead of creating a new one. Kasi may audience na. And so before the transition, ako mismo was questioning, like, because I heard from other people na I consulted na parang, baka if we change it to Laban Filipinas and cover other sports, we'll lose
The football following.
we'll lose the football following. But thank God, hindi naman ganun yung nangyari. In fact, it has
Mas
grown. since we started covering other sports. But now we're sort of experimenting, trying to figure out which sports
First.
works in specific platforms. So, for example, like we know that the volleyball clips doesn't work on Facebook only because we haven't changed our page name to just Laban Filipinas, which we're still working on. So yun, kasi
Please help us.
help us if you know anyone.
If you
from
know
Facebook.
anyone from Facebook, please help us.
We can change our Facebook name, so that's why. Kaya every time we post other sports, we get comments or messages from time to time asking, bakit hindi yan football, ganyan. So now because of the experiment that we did, we know what not to post or what type of content to post, provided yung specific sport niya. So for example, like with volleyball, mas okay yung hits niya on TikTok or if we post it on Twitter, but on Instagram, it's really mainly football and other new sports. So yun, so we're continuously
Learning and growing.
So we appreciate everyone's support.
Actually, if you notice, nung start of the year,
Yeah.
we have lacrosse.
Yes, lacrosse.
We have lacrosse. I mean,
See, that's why kasi diba,
we tried to learn. I mean, hindi pa rin, Toria. If someone can help us, we're willing to, And then, if you notice also, we have now the Philippine rugby team,
yeah, rugby team.
the women's team. So, hi. Hi,
Eh,
Kate.
hi. Hi,
Hi,
Kate.
Ada.
Hi, Ada. Yeah, so like Kit Kat said, we're slowly learning and growing, no? It's not like but also just disclaimer, like we're not earning anything from all this hard work. So your likes, your likes and stars. My stars watch.
May stars ba?
Yeah, and we appreciate it. So yun. So but again, if you'll notice, a big chunk of what we post is really about women's football because that's our first love. But yun, slowly we'll be adding more. We hope to cover other sports. Now we've started with volleyball and then a bit of golf and basketball,
Basketball.
rugby. So
We're hoping to cover more events slowly. Disclaimer din, may mga day jobs din kami.
we have
Kaya as much as we want to like be present at all the games, we're still on the
Yeah.
weekend and vacation leave.
Yes.
May
So,
phone-in question po dito.
ay,
oh my gosh,
da-
day job. Pam, what's your day job?
SOCMED person po.
Ganun din yun eh.
I left my corporate job because nadudol tayo ng sports eh. So sa mga clients dyan na gusto ng photography, I'm here. Ano sa'yo, Kit? Ano sa'yo, Kit?
I still do I'm part pa rin ng marketing department, marketing team, yeah. So, still side ng marketing SOCMED. And then I also manage a football team.
You know.
Can we say which team?
Can we say which team?
Can we say which team?
No, first.
Ano?
You'll find out. You'll know already. And actually, I manage Capital One, the new team in the Women's League. So, yes.
So guys, bawal po yung question ng
Yeah, so if you have questions about the league, Kit Kat will
cannot answer. Okay. You.
me. I co-own a nursing registry, so we deploy nurses, caregivers, midwives all over the Philippines. So I'm proud to say it's the largest
You know.
nursing registry in the Philippines. So yeah. So I have to keep the business afloat so I can continue doing this. Otherwise, wala tayong pang mga ganito.
Wala tayo pa.
Ito po may comment tayo, babasahin ng audience natin.
Oh my gosh.
Galing kay...
Galing kay?
Kay Ivan Joffrey Gayaran.
Tito
Tito
Ivan.
Ivan!
World-renowned photographer po siya, si Ate Pam.
Tigilan talaga ako.
WRP.
Grabe talaga yan. Joke lang po guys. Huwag kayong maniwala sa mga yan. Trip-trip lang.
Tsaka
Ay.
si Jihan nag-comment.
Hi, Jihan.
Hi, Ate G!
Hi, G.
G, kailan tayo
Sabi ko
magkikita?
sa'yo, mga kaibigan lang natin.
G, kailan tayo magkikita? Kailangan ko pang isole. Ang iyong reindeers.
Sino ba tong Marshall Finn? Kung alam nila yung TYFA, matagal na nga sila.
Bastos to ah.
Bastos.
Bastos to ah. Loko to ah.
Yeah, so what's next?
The purpose.
Ano tama purpose?
Wag na tayo magano.
So the question is, okay, so why do we keep doing this? Una, hindi naman tayo kumikita.
Guys, narinig nyo yun ah.
Abuna-
Matindi. Abunado ba kami? Abunado ba kami? Ever since. But, I guess
Gano'ng
that's...
kalaki na po yung nabono nyo?
Ay, wag na
Ay,
natin.
wag.
Pag nag-compute po tayo ng amount, baka po palayasin ako ng...
I just wanna say for the record, walang nagbayad sa amin to go to the World Cup, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Kasi parang everyone assumes
May nagbayad
may
po.
nag-sponsor ng trip namin to watch the World Cup.
It was our own.
Yeah. Short-term goals, Pam.
Short-term goals. Okay, as Laban Pilipinas, okay. So sabi nga namin, Laban Pilipinas is yung space for women's athletes. And actually, pati sa media side eh. Kasi yun yung sasabi naming expertise namin. So, we want to help other creatives then photographers, SOCMED, graphic artists, anyone na they want to contribute to us. Yun nga, disclaimer, wala pa po kaming pasweldo ng buong buo. But we're willing to help naman. We find ways. Yes, BDO. We find ways. Tut, bawal yun.
Ay, to be fair, I just want to say, hindi naman kami, like, when we work with, kunwari, when there were days na we were not in the women's cup, we would get photographers. I mean, the pay, hindi naman ganun kalaking pay. Kasi again, we're not earning from this.
Yeah.
But we make sure kahit pang-gas niya
Pang-gas,
lang. Or
pang-food, yeah.
Pang-food niya lang, you know. So,
Kahit pa Baguio po.
Or Cebu?
May laro po ba doon?
So yun. So, kasi that's one way of, you know, honoring their work. Because it's not,
Yeah.
I mean, we all did it ourselves. So, we know na it's not easy. Yun. So, I mean, it's free to collab these days. But that's if the yung nag-initiate is the photographer, then that's fine. But we don't, you know, force the photographer na, uy, collab mo naman kami.
Collab
or
mo
what.
naman, yes.
No, we don't do that. Kasi we know they put, you know, yung value dun sa hard work nila. So it's always initiated by them. No? Yun. So shout out to Ma Photogs.
Ooh!
And Pampuri Sports Photography.
With 8,000
With 8,000 followers.
Pero
Yeah.
wala yung phone-in question.
Ay,
Yes.
yes po.
Why is media important for you? Why do you like it so much?
Ay, shit.
want to
Challenging
answer that?
question.
Parang
Thank you very much.
Pengi pa kape.
Parang kulang yung kape sa tanong na.
Why is it so important? Ako, like, to me, like, in relation to Laban Pilipinas, I think it's so important because walang, like, meron naman na. We have Atleta Filipina now, di ba? But like for the longest time, there wasn't any like independent media, if you will, who will cover only women's sports talaga. So
Same as with football when we
Yeah.
started.
wala naman eh, kami lang.
Same as football, when we started, parang yun nga, when the Pinay football team created it, kasi nakita nilang no one was active, no one was
Wala.
doing it. I mean, unlike other sports, yeah, basically we know that basketball is the major sport in the Philippines. So, parang nakita natin na if walang taong, kung walang nag-create nung team na yon, wala rin, siguro hindi ko rin siya makikita, hindi ko mamimit yung mga taong to. Kasi, yun nga, naging path siya ng lahat na, yun nga, dun ka mag-grow, yung pagiging photographer, pagiging graphic artist, nagkaroon siya ng way.
Yes.
So, parang yung football, tinulungan, I mean, baka naman sabihin na, ang kapal na mukha nito na buwan sarili, di ba? But, yun nga, doon kami nag-start, hinelp namin, I guess.
Really, if not for football.
If not for football din naman, with the other sports, we cannot do it for them also. So, parang yung learnings namin sa football now, we want to help the other sports that need space. Di ba? So, we want to do it. Media. Anong question? Media.
Yes, that's why it's important.
That's why it's important kasi it helped the sport grow.
Kasi
Lalo
they're
na
the
yung
ones- they're the ones
yung space
talking
nila
about-
parang it will. Sorry. May nabasa po akong comment kaya ako natawa. Sorry guys. May nagpadala ng... Ay, wow! May nagpadala ng stars! Grabe! Tinotoo, may stars! Shout out po, Tito Jayron.
Tito Jayron, thank you for
Ay,
the stars.
Thank you for recommending also of Chanan! Magkakaroon po kami ng website. Kahit binulabog na po ako ng before match day -1 ng men's team. Pero it's because of a purpose of getting the website name, thelabanfilipinas.com. So it's in the works. Hopefully matapos namin siya.
Because of this, matututo na rin kami gumawa ng website.
Kailangan po namin matuto. Kasi po wala po kaming pambayad sa gagawa. So kami rin po yung gagawa niyan. So stay tuned.
Speaking of maraming ginagawa, may isa pa pong phone in.
Ano ba
Ay,
yan?
grabe.
Tanong ni Ate Jiha, natutulog ba kayo guys?
Good question.
Good question. Good question yun.
Natutulog naman, 4 to 5 hours, ganyan.
Mga alas,
Swerte na yung 5 hours, actually.
mga alas 2.
Hanggang alas 3.
Yeah.
Nakakatulog pa pala. 7 hours, 7 to 8.
7 to 8
Kahit pa
hours.
paano.
Iba, Gen Z nga to. Athlete to. Kailangan na ng 7 to...
Isa pa mong phone in question.
Ay, ano?
Isabel Poblete.
Napaka-active na
Napaka-active naman ng live magnet.
Medyo seryoso to.
Ay,
Ano,
How did
question?
you get into football? And what other sports aside from football are you really passionate about?
Wala naman kami
you first.
I got into football because of my dad and my ate, and then my mom got into football also, so it became like a family sport for us. So yeah, football kami all around. And then yung other sports, ang hirap. Yung other sports siguro
Golfer ko.
golf. Golferist.
Golferist.
Feeling
For the golf.
for the golf.
Magaling po yan mag-golf, guys.
So yun yung passionate, and also I think I like watching then volleyball. The whole time when the Japan team was here, pinanood ko lahat ng games. Kami ng ate ko, so
Iba.
yun. Yes.
Iba.
Thank you.
Ikaw, Ben.
Ang active. What other sports aside from
How
football?
did you get into football and what
It's
other
just re-
sport?
How I got into football. I mean, I was already into football, but yung talagang na-addict ako sa football, it's because of my sister. My sister is a big Fernando Torres fan. So, ayun, it was my way of bonding with my sister. Sydney, if you're watching. Well, if you're watching. Sydney. Yun, it was my way of bonding with my little sister. Yun. And then, how I got into women's football, because I was working in the BPO 2012, 2013. yon bagong gawa pa lang yung
BGC
turf. And then, someone tweet, I think it was those twins, CUST? Magdolots, one of the Magdolot twins, who parang retweeted na BGC is like parang sponsoring the Malditas at that time to use the BGC turf. So dahil nasa BPO pa ako, like sobrang stress. So after work, before going home, I would drive by the BGC pitch to watch Kaya Men's. Kaya Men's, nag-warm up, ganyan. And then eventually, yon Stallion and the Malditas at that time. So yan, and then naging daily habit ko siya bago umuwi. That time they were preparing for, I don't know which tournament, at AFF siguro. Ayun, tapos para akong stalker from my car, kukunan ko ng picture si Mariel, tsaka si Tasha, tsaka si Sam. Hanggang sa eventually si Mariel, parang from inside the picture, babaka dito. Kasi parang akong stalker, pagda-drive-by lang. Tapos from my phone camera, eventually yung DSLR cam. Tapos, ayun, in-invite na ako ni Yel na ni Coach Ernie. So that's how it started. Yon, other sports, wala talagang nilamon na ako ng football since 2013. Now, I'm kind of, the bading is so into volleyball these days. So, yeah.
It's so alive.
It's so alive. Yun. So,
Grabe.
yun ang na-enjoy ko ngayon. So, that's it. Ay, Pam, basketball?
Basketball and football. Yun nga, I started basketball because my lolo and my tito are basketball fans. Chicago Bulls, to be exact. And then, magkalaban sila, Ginebra, tsaka San Miguel.
Kaya lang, nababother ako. May live stream daw ba dito mamaya?
Ito na po yun.
Ito na yung
Ito
live
po
stream.
yung live po kami. So yun, so I started talaga with my lolo and my tito basketball. And then, yun nga, hindi lang halata, but I played football. Yes, kahit basic, marunong po ako, guys. I played football, tapos yun nga,
Position.
defender. Hindi lang halata kasi maliit pa rin.
Favorite player?
Wala. No comment. No comment. Alex Morgan, sinabi ko na kanina.
Defender?
No comment. Tapos, so, yun nga, so football, doon ko, yun pa rin, naging and then, still, of course, watching NBA and, well, now, WNBA. So, yun yung super, I guess. But I have fun watching baseball.
Yeah?
Baseball. Chicago Cubs. Kasi yun yung mga teams talaga. Chicago Cubs, Chicago Bulls. So, no.
Sabi dito.
May sasabi yung live audience, no. So, yun yung other sports that I'm passionate about. So, kaya kong pagpuyatan yan. Well, nababawasan na yung pagpupuyat sa manood ng sports. But, like yesterday, I watched March Madness. Ooh, UConn won. Champions. So,
Excited na siya umuwi from the airport sa manonood ko.
hindi excited matulog from Cebu.
Lahat kami mag-excited matulog.
Ako excited ako kasi 3 o'clock yung game yesterday. So, yun. Yung question mismo is what you got into football. Well, I really love football. The Barcelona team that time. Lalo na yung... Spain team, to be exact. 2010, the champion team.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
That was the Carlos Puyol, Ike, Ses, guwapo. Di ba? I mean, I don't like Sergio playing for Real Madrid, but I like him playing for the Spain team. So, yun talaga yung well, way back pa talaga football. So, yun talaga. But, kasi hindi daw talaga pwede sa basketball, maliit. So, nag-iba. Pero hindi, both ko silang love. And right now, I'm trying na both magkaroon ng space in what I do. Specifically for photography. And now, yun nga, sa space, sa Laban, Pilipinas. Women's basketball, hopefully, with everyone there. Hindi ko alam kung pwede sila bangkitin.
You who must not be named.
Hindi ko sure eh. I mean, hi to the women's basketball community.
Bakit hindi pwedeng batiin?
Pwede
Batiin mo
naman,
na.
di ba? Hi, attorney.
Attorney.
Hi, attorney.
Attorney Mariana.
Attorney Mariana, kala Sammy, kala Val. So, yeah. The players that we recently interact.
Yes.
So, hopefully, we can cover more of their games. Sana makarating kami sa... Saan nga ba game? Sa China.
China.
Sa China. Kung kaya pa namin.
Girl, malapit na sumuko yung bulsa ko.
Kasi po
Sunod-sunod.
sunod-sunod eh. May football, may basketball, which we want to really cover. Why? Because it's international and it's not basically just international, but it's like a qualifying stage eh, which is really important to have a media coverage. Yun yung space talaga na gusto namin. So, kasi we know that the other big outlets are covering it. Pero iba pa rin din talaga yun nga. So hopefully, kung kakayanin pa, sunod-sunod lang talaga pagtingin namin ng calendar. Medyo, ay wow.
May phone-in question po ulit.
Ay,
Given po yung media coverage, ano po ba yung media coverage? If you're a sports bakit po siya important?
Sino ba yung nagtatanong niya? Sino ba yung mga tanong niya? Mga
May
importance of
nag-send po kasi ng
this and
outline.
that. Explain ko na.
kaya yan.
But for the other women's teams.
Women's teams, yeah.
Yeah, because yun nga, gaya ng in-explain ni Pam kanina, like, we have mainstream media, right? But not everyone, covers, katulad yan.
Yung super focus
Oh,
mo.
yeah, yung super focus mo na talaga are the women's teams. So, yun, I think that's where we come in. Hindi yung, andun lang kami kasi nanalo na. So, our
Yung ground up.
goal really is to yung journey nila. Manalo man sila o hindi. Kasi that's what we've been doing with football. And we know through that experience, we can apply it in promoting other sports as well. And like I said, we're slowly learning. So not everything in football can necessarily be applied
Up
to
to other sports.
other sports. But there are certain things that we know work, like when we covered lacrosse, when we covered some parts of volleyball and with rugby as well. So, and it's also one way of connecting to not just the federation, what do you call them? Sports associations, is that it? MSA. We also get to connect with other national team players as well. So, if we did not convert it to Laban Filipinas, we would not have been able to gotten in touch with
Lacrosse.
lacrosse
Lacrosse.
and rugby, the women's rugby team, because they were, what's her name?
Si Kate.
Yeah, so it was
She
Kate.
messaged us,
messaged
so we're
us,
really
yeah.
thankful. I mean, I think it's because of first lacrosse. Kasi
Yeah,
start
and
of the
lacrosse,
year, we
yes.
didn't expect lacrosse.
Mm.
So,
Yeah,
but we were able to, I guess, to help them. So, people also notice
Yeah.
it. So, it's a big help for the sport and for that team kasi they're gonna play next year.
Next year, in their like own version of the World Cup.
Yeah, their own version of World Cup. So, at least, diba, people are now like gonna wait for that one. Parang at least nagkaroon sila ng space and yun yung gusto namin kasi
Yeah.
we're not expecting right away anything in return. We just want to be really an avenue. And then, when that happened, Kate of Rugby, hi Kate, na nasa Hong Kong, I think right now, she approached us in helping them sa rugby, what we can do, what we can work. So, we're still fixing. We have some details already. We're just finalizing and then we have plans. So, yun, space talaga. It's really a space for all sports as much as possible to help them. Not saying that we have already the audience, but we have the space that can help them, all sports. Actually, one time, we had this conversation na hindi lang through media eh. What if we can be like a middleman na because of us, makahanap din yung mga sports na to ng sponsors? I mean, we need sponsors also, but baka mamaya magkaroon ng connections, di ba? I mean, it's really gonna be like super thank you na kung kami maging avenue rin na yun. So, diba? So, anyone who wants to reach out both sides, the
Yeah.
sports team and then, diba? We can help each other. So, yun yung isa pang way besides having it sa media side lang.
Yeah, and then we're not like a big media outfit. We have, unlike Pam, just say that. Kailangan masingit talaga.
Ayaw yun talaga akong tantanan dun sa mga
Excuse me. And what I'm saying is, we're not big of a sports media page, but you know, through our own little ways, you know, we're able to promote. Like, I'll use the rugby team as an example. Like we heard from the rugby team na, oh, okay, because you featured us, like a few of our players got requests for an interview, ganon. And then with the lacrosse team also, we're able to connect them with other media folks as well. So, ganun lang. Like sa amin, I think that's the beauty of, that's the beauty of, you know, not, paano ba to? If you're not for, well, technically not for, walang money in this. So, our goal is to just sort of amplify the stories of the Filipinas or Filipina athletes. So, yun lang talaga yung pinaka-goal. So, we don't mind sharing stories kahit parang dot na lang siya. We know kasi it's being viewed as well. So, wala na kaming like, kasi there's also this obsession with curating your feed, right? At first, it was a challenge for us kasi hindi na alam nung algorithm kung anong i-feed doon sa Laban Filipinas account.
So, nagiging lahat na siya.
Nagiging lahat na siya. So, I guess it's a good thing. So, yun, you know, hopefully, it unfolds to something beautiful. To something, you know, bigger than what it is now. So, yun yung pinaka goal namin. And I would want to just transition this before I let you and Kit on talking about what we can do for them and our short-term goals as well. What I says, so Laban Filipinas, because I got a message one time like, bakit Laban Filipinas? Like, we're hacking down the hashtag of the national team or something. So, just for
history.
For the record, okay, so the Laban Filipinas hashtag originally started in 2012 or
13.
Long ago. For the U14 team.
U14
when the
team.
batch of Carly Freeles won silver in the AFF. So before, AFC. So before they competed, we were, myself, Mia included, and NJ from Pinay Football, we're talking on a hashtag like, we can't use Laban Malditas because these are young, you know, kids.
Because it's U14.
Because it's U14. Parang it's so off to use Malditas. And so, NJ thought of using, you know, since that time, nagtitrend yung Laban Pilipinas because of the basketball team. And so, NJ highlighted, you know what, let's just use Laban Filipinas with an F. And so, that's where it all started. So, it's been there for quite some time. So, yeah, so we're not hacking, okay. We really wanted to call it just that. And yun, and maybe Kit Kat, you can talk about what we can offer them.
Yeah,
for
short.
Maybe like a few things that we are looking into but expanding in the near future. We of course want to continue doing the social media coverage for like tournaments or mga events or like, you know, women's things in general. And then as well as also doing media day things. We started that.
Tumingin ka daw, sabi ni Direk.
Napagalitan ako. The mga media day as well as, what was the other ones that we were talking about? Yung being a bridge also for teams and corporate sponsors or other things, and you know, just helping women sports or women athletes in general. That's something that we want to do and want to continue doing. So, yeah.
That's it. Do you have anything to add? Because I think the people in the comment section are waiting for chismis.
Well, we will feature, diba? Filipina
Filipina
athletes.
athletes,
Just
yeah.
wait for it. We already have things na weekly or bi-weekly siya na feature on
Yeah,
Filipina
features.
athletes. You already have some
Yeah.
prepared. So, both mainstream and grassroots. Kasi nga, yun nga. Actually, hindi ko pa I think na-open up ko lang last week. But someone approached me about fencing.
Oh, fencing.
Women's. So, hopefully we fix that, and then yun, it's a way also because, well, we know fencing during basically nung Olympics, right? Because of Sam Katantan. So, of course, well, lagi ko sila nakikita naglalaro recently sa Gateway. So, we want to highlight it also. So, yun nga, di ba? It's really an avenue because people are approaching now for features and all. And yun nga, we're just kulang lang ng konti sa time, but we're figuring out things on how we can post everything, highlight everything, because we want to help those athletes, those sports na magkaroon ng space and for them to know them. Kasi kami rin gusto rin namin silang makilala. Oops.
Charing.
Oops. So there, that's what we can do. That's our short and long-term goals. Oh.
Okay. So I guess we're ready to
We have like a phone-in
ask
question.
for
Wait.
questions.
Ako yung meron
Sige.
dito.
Which one?
Okay, first question. As part of the persons working behind the scene, great challenges are inevitable. Have you ever been discouraged in working
Yes.
or supporting
Yes.
football or Philippine sports in general? And what makes you keep going, or how do you maintain your passion in the field?
Hi, Mer.
Grabe, this question.
Miss Universe.
Miss Universe
Miss Universe.
question.
Go Pam with 8,000 followers.
Wow, teka lang. It's ang hirap. Teka lang, iniisa-isa ko.
Hanggang yes lang ako. Yes, been discouraged.
Have you ever been discouraged? Yes, I won't deny it. But it's more on, well, when I entered sports industry, a lot of people already told me, sa sports walang pera. That's, I think, one thing if you're into it. But it's more on, really, if you love what you're doing, you'll find ways to survive. Basically, to survive. Hindi na mawawala sa akin yung football eh. Parang pinapatigil lang ako ng sister ko kasi napapagod na siya sa schedule ko. But I guess it will be always in a part of it. That's why the other sports are growing in me kasi yun nga, whatever I learned sa football, I want to help the other sports with it.
Tingin ka daw sa camera.
Sabi ni Mau.
What makes me going? What makes me going? Well, I left my corporate job for this one. So, I think what's the thing there is that ang yabang kasi baka sabihin sa akin ang yabang ko.
Ano ka ba? You have 8,000 followers.
Hindi kasi parang feeling ko kasi pag binitawan mo siya right now, baka I'm not saying that I'm not the only one, but kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung fire para may mahawa pa akong ibang tao. Yun yung parang sa akin.
WRP.
Look up.
That's what keeps me going. Kasi if you stop, baka wala nang sumunod na magmahal pa dun sa sport na yun. So, which is basically football. So, parang I just keep on going, keep on fighting on that. Kasi yun nga, I don't want na eventually mawala na lang. Parang, alam mo yun. So, you have to get more people, be involved, be active. Pero sinasabihan ko rin na walang pera dito pa.
Yun ang importante.
Kailangan may disclaimer kasi I don't want to put a lot of expectations. Kasi to be honest, I had my first paid job, I think, 2019. I started 2011.
Uy, ako 2024 lang. Thank you ang Liga.
Uy, men, wala ba yung
Yun
sa...
lang.
Uy, wala ba yung Wala ba yung AFF?
Wala ko. Unpaid yun,
Ay,
Ano kami?
Free yun. For the love.
Yes.
Ba talaga?
So, ang first time ako nabayaran for football, ang Liga, Pat Mara Pao de Rosario, thank you so much.
May live audience na may live audience na.
Tapos, hindi, sa Women's League.
Yes.
So yun, 2019, 2011.
All in 2024. So,
No, 2023.
2023 ba yung league?
Yeah. Doon ako 2 years ako sa league eh.
Oh, sorry. 2023. I stand corrected. 2023.
May nagsastand rin sa akin, 2017 daw PFL.
Ay, hindi ko alam yun.
Oh, yeah! Sorry.
Basta alam ko, AFF unpaid yun.
Ceres Negros FC. Damn.
Yes, Ceres Negros FC.
Oo nga pala.
Can you imagine, like what, after 8 years?
So yun, what keeps me going is that, yun nga, if parang I know na hindi pa ganun karami yung parang susunod sa steps namin lahat. So, if yun nga, pag nag-stop ka, baka wala nang mag-push for other people to be involved, to be active. Diba? So, that's the motivation kahit ang hirap. But you just keep on fighting for it. Kasi, yun nga, pag nawala, parang, wala na. Parang, sino rin yung ipa-follow din namin pag nawala?
Oo.
Ayaw na naman natin sa pag-usapan.
Wag na.
So, that's my answer to that question. So, you, what's your answer to that question?
Hi, I like the question. Ay,
Like the question.
Mary Lou weekend. Patay ka sa akin ng weekend.
Kita, itong pinatanong mo na
Pakipin nga yung question. Tsaka.
I think I've been discouraged several times because as a player pa nun, kasi na-feel namin, kasi I was playing futsal naman, we weren't getting naman much traction kasi nun, and it was hard for us as teams to find sponsors or to find people that would promote the sport to help also other athletes in other realms than of the football world. I've always been discouraged, pero there's always something pulling me back. Parang I also see kasi how other sports are doing, and parang yun yung nagpo-pull back sa, and then yung nagpo-push sa akin na keep going kasi baka, eventually someone will see or someone will, pick it up. And yun nga, nakita ko yun with Ben and Pam that time when I met them also. Kaya I just kept pushing and pushing.
Ooh, thank you!
And also because of my mom
Your
also.
mom, yeah.
Number one yan, nagpo-push din ng football here in the Philippines before. So that's what's always motivating me to come back. And yan also yung factor then of why I'm super passionate about the sport is my mom talaga. So, ayun.
Manager, answer the Miss Universe question.
Do you want the short answer or the long answer? Sorry. What's the
Have
question
you
again?
ever
Have
been
you
discouraged in working,
Yes.
supporting football?
Yes,
Or
yes,
Philippine
yes.
sports in general? And what makes
If
you keep
you're
going?
if you're someone who's covering football, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, ever been discouraged? Yes, multiple times. But more because for, how do I say this? Ang hirap naman.
Ang hirap, di ba?
Ang hirap. Because like what Pam said, see now I realize na parang ang yabang nga ng dating.
Di ba? Yun nga, ang hirap sagutin kasi baka sabihin nila,
Na parang, feeling nyo
kayo lang.
Oh.
Yun, that's what I worry.
So,
Yun yung worry ko.
So okay, let's put that aside. But like, I'm sorry. I'm gonna use the league as an example, no? So, ito yung we were talking about the importance of media coverage. So you have like me covering volleyball, no? Ang laki ng inggit ko na may isa kang malaking room for the press corps, right? And then then you go to, that's UAAP volleyball. And when you go to UAAP football, girl, isang table, isang malaki, mahaba pa to. Ganun. So,
Shout out to
shout out Lorenzo. So, di ba, ganun lang siya. And then, and that's I think there are more media people covering men's football versus women's football. Just by seeing the posts online. Ayun, so that's what's really frustrating. Kasi parang, minsan you just think, ano ba, ako lang ba to? Or kami lang ba to? Like, what happens if, let's say, people, sports writers like Lorenzo, for instance, decides to leave sports writing and go corporate? Or you go back to corporate, or you focus on something else, right? Or I focus on my business. Wala nang Laban Pilipinas. So, yun. So parang, shit, Pam, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Parang ang yabangan dating. But, I mean, there are like, yung mga bagets ngayon, there's half space, right? But they're with men's. And they're fairly new. So, we don't know how long you guys can do it.
Face the reality.
Yeah, especially, they're still students. Most of them are still, mga inaanak. So, they're still students, most of them. So, like,
yun yung mga gusto natin
Oo, na parang okay naman yan eh. The more, the
merrier,
actually. But like, for you to sustain this without getting anything in return, you have to have the heart.
Lakas loob talaga
laban, siya. I mean, like, no, it's, hindi talaga.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. And then also, it's different now kasi not everyone will, accept charity.
Yes,
Okay?
yun nga. Yun yung pinaka-disclaimer.
Yun. Kaya ako, like, I do my best, like, even, like, pamasahe or what, give them allowance. So, mahirap. So, yun. So, that's what's discouraging me. But at the same time, that's also the reason why hindi ko maiwan. So, kaya I like na yung ginawa ni Pam na she got Mao involved, and then we have Judith. And then,
Shout out.
Actually, mga live audiences.
Mga live audience. Miss G.
Jihan. Yun. Ivan.
Diba?
Yun. So, these are mga mini-mentor.
We make
Ni
space
Pam.
for them.
So,
but yun nga, facing the reality also na sometimes you just really need more on the passion, the heart on it before.
It's not going to be all passion. At some point, you need to be paid.
Realistic, yeah, and you
Pero-
have to be paid.
And that's also what we're
trying
to do now. Sometimes I think, is it too late to do that? Because apparently people have gotten used to seeing, may output naman yan kahit wala
Kahit
kang
walang
gawin.
bayad, diba?
You know what I mean? So, yun yung mahirap for us now. So, ayun. I guess that's my answer.
I think that's the same one question ni Miss G, yung what made you stay kahit sobrang hirap ng pinagdadaan niya. We just love it. We just love football, we just love the other sports too na, yun nga, we want to make this space for everyone else. So, we will continue it as long as we can.
Yeah, as long as we can.
As long as we can. And then with the help of everyone. So, basically, you'll just be seeing the three of us, but hindi lang kaming tatlo to. We have a lot of support system basically, and that's why we want also to make space not only for the athletes, for the sports teams, but also for the media, for the creatives. Space yung Laban Pilipinas. Sorry kung medyo bias talaga. But of course, sa personal din naman namin, we can make space for you whether what sport it is. So, but basically for Laban Pilipinas. So if you have other sports, athletes that you want to feature us, and if you also want to help us in any way, hindi lang kami nanghihingi dito ng monetary, it's or any way.
Driver.
Kape. Tumatanggap po ng kape yung mga tao dito. So,
Actually,
yeah.
guys, kape lang. Thank you
Tutorial
again, search
search
coffee. Kape lang masaya.
Kape lang, okay na. So basically, yun siya. Space for everyone that wants to be involved in sports. So, yeah, hopefully we can do this like for a long time. I mean, that's really our long term.
Are you sure?
Laban Pilipinas.
Laban Pilipinas. Laban Pam.
Sustainably, yeah. I mean, yeah, sustainably. So, yeah.
Wow, tapos ang natin, vision namin to become the leading.
Yes. Pakisabi ko ano
Huwag
yung...
na.
Yun lang, short lang.
Wait lang. Our vision is to become the leading sports media company in the Philippines dedicated to women's sports. Tawagan mo nga yung investor ng GWS. Tsaka.
Okay, we just
Kwento
wanted...
niyo yung stickers niyo.
Ay!
Ay! Stickers!
Sa TV.
Ito po, ganito po
Ito,
yung
stickers.
stickers. Who wants stickers?
Kung gusto niyo sa windshield. Check.
Gusto niyo po sa...
Ayan, si kids, harap mo.
Woo!
Ayan.
Shout.
So we've printed a bunch, so if you see us,
Ask for.
just ask.
Just ask. Kasi next time po may bayad na
Next
yun.
time may bayad na yan. For now, free pa.
For now, free po siya. So, next time may bayad na. I just want to have a shout out from Sir Kirby.
Hi, Kirby!
Sabi ni Sir Kirby, keep up the great and difficult work. Keep the flame alive for the Filipino athletes. Well, that's why we have the lacrosse team because of Sir Kirby. Thank you for making your space and we're learning about
Yes.
lacrosse. Todo research po kami dyan.
Oo. Wala akong alam sa lacrosse,
Wala
pero
po
sige
kami.
lang.
But yes, basta alam namin, nanalo sila.
Anak sila.
So, yun. So,
Sabi Sir Ryan, keep up the good work, guys.
ay, wow.
Ay, idol, Ryan Phoenix.
Kasi Levi, yes, keep fighting. Love.
LVJ.
Hi po. Sa
Sabi ko sa talagang mga kaibigan lang talaga natin.
Lastly, sabi ni Jihan, wow, stickers, pamain po.
Anong kulay? We have gold,
Dibs.
blue, red. Pakisabi kay... Magkikita ba kayo ni G? Oh, ayan. Talaga nakalagay. 108. 108 pieces lang.
So
Yun.
guys, yun. So hopefully, support us by liking our pages. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok.
TikTok. Oh, we're in TikTok now.
We're in TikTok.
Dapat
And
Filipina
soon, our website. And
Turo mo. Link.
Yellow Basket.
Yellow Basket.
LabanPilipinas.com.
Yellow Basket.
Yellow Basket.
Ay, malapit na po totoo yung Yellow Basket.
Uy, eligible na kami.
Yung Yellow Basket totoo, yung t-shirt.
Oh, t-shirt.
Oh, di ba? And then hopefully, eventually we'll work out with our the YouTube.
YouTube. Oh, so I'll take this opportunity to announce. Wow, announce. So, I'm transitioning Football Brew. Nakalimutan ko na. Football Brew to Laban Filipinas podcast. So, aside from football players, you should expect other Filipina athletes as well. So, we're working on that. Sana magkaroon ako ng time. Laban lang. Yeah, so we're transitioning. And then this whole recording, sabi ni Direk i-upload daw sa YouTube. So, yan.
So,
Okay, I guess it's, let's just answer some of the questions before we end. Wala nang questions.
Naubos na yung mga questions na lumilitaw.
Ay, ito. From Chelsea Del Mundo on X. Okay. Hi Van and hello to Pam and Kid. Oh, we've answered this. What started your love for the game? And will you be at the next men's national team game at NCC since no Filipinas game? And PS, I hope to get another Filipinas football stickers. I'll give you, Chelsea, just approach me. Pero it's Laban Filipinas now. Answer that question.
Will you be at the next men's national team? Hopefully, kung may trabaho po ako, hindi, char. Yeah, work or without work, I'll be at the men's national football.
We'll be there.
We'll be there. See you on June 10. Yes, nag-semi-promote for
We will have a booth.
Ay!
Sabihin ko na ba? We will have a booth.
Sinagot na! Gulat ako na?
Para ma-pressure.
Para ma-pressure na yung ko. Yeah, we will have a booth at the NCC on June 10. So, both men's and women's.
Both men's and women's.
Both men's and women's.
JD, if you're watching,
ma-pressure ka na dun sa booth natin.
Gawin mo yung booth natin.
So yeah, we'll see you there. Say hi, don't be shy. Kasi minsan, sorry, baka makasalubong niyo ako. Medyo, hindi naman sa masungit tayo. Hindi sa masungit to, but
Masungit po talaga yun. Simula nagkaroon siya 8,000 followers.
Hindi, kasi in the zone ako lagi before work. Kasi kailangan kong focus before the game or else I can take the pictures that I need to take during the game. So yun.
Next question from Mel through X. Now that Laban Filipinas is covering volleyball, what's the difference? What have you learned from covering volleyball that can be applied in football? Wala. Walang badings. Charot. Ikaw muna, Pam, kasi you've been covering volleyball naman for a while. What are your thoughts on? So I don't know what's the context of this.
Yeah,
Na
kung
para
saan
bang
siya,
dahil
as
ba-
a fan
as a fan or
as a media per se.
Hindi, covering eh. So, actually.
Actually, hindi mas strict si volleyball, but meron namang media guidelines both. But iba yung media guidelines ni football than volleyball.
Super
From what I see. Masyadong nitty-gritty yung specifics ng football. As in, to the point na even if you're
Super
an
strict.
official, I'm speaking as a official photographer, even if official ka, naka-assign, there's a lot na hindi
Reaction po tayo from your live audience.
there's a lot na hindi mo pwede pa rin gawin. Ganon kabawal. I mean, for example, okay, as an official, you're expected to shoot the locker rooms of both teams, the home and away. But you're expected to shoot it without any player.
Yeah.
You're just basically shooting their jerseys there, the ones with the captain's armband, who's the key players, that's it. There's no player, literally no one. You're not allowed. Because we do it like an hour 30 before the arrival of the teams. Ganon siya. But I think in volleyball, if you're the official broadcaster,
You can.
and then
You
with the
can,
help
yeah.
of the official photographer of the league, I think you can, as long as magpaalam ka. I think there's a thing. Sa football, even if magpaalam ka,
Excuse me.
you're not allowed to enter once the teams
Yeah.
are inside their locker rooms. Hindi siya talaga pwede. As per the guidelines set by, from what I remember, by both AFC and FIFA itself. So, yun, bawal siya. So, I think, yun nga, maraming points per media. So, I'm just on the photographer side. But I think even for social medias also, there's really a lot of things na do's and don'ts kung pagko-compare ko pa lang yung dalawa. I can also speak for basketball. Ang laki rin ng difference eh.
Yeah.
Basketball, you can move around. For football,
You can.
you cannot. You can only move around during halftime. Even if you wanna go out for your own, you cannot. You cannot just go out during the 20th minute. No, you cannot.
So maybe Pam, we can share that, like with football, if your accreditation is photos, it's just photos.
Photos, yeah.
If you're journalist, just journalist.
Journalist.
Like when we were in the World Cup, ako together with Lorenzo and the others, since we're
Cannot.
journalists, we cannot go to the pitch or hindi pwede bumaba at all.
Yes.
And same with Pam, siya naman, hindi siya pwede
Pwede
umakyat. Yun. And then there are certain like areas where you can talk to the player
The mix zone.
in the mix zone, and then it depends pa if are you written press or are you, what kind of press are
Yeah.
you? So yun din, if you're written press, you can just record. Kaya wala akong videos ng mga interaction ko
With the
Aslan.
players.
With the players. So it's just really
So,
voice
pag-
recording.
So yun, ganun yun sa football. But if you go to basketball or
Pwede.
volleyball, well, when I covered the FIBA World Cup, ganun din yung rules. In some ways, yung photographer, you have a photographer's area lang, but you cannot go to the mix zone. You're
Mix
not
zone.
allowed. Yung mga press people lang yung allowed. Ang common room mo lang is the media press conference. Ay, hindi nga eh. Hindi nga press conference yun eh.
Ka pwede sa
video na.
press conference?
Ang photographer, no.
Ay, hindi ka din pwede nun dati.
Hindi. Talagang
Oh,
sa
yeah,
pitch lang ako.
Pitch lang talaga.
Pitch lang tayo.
Okay lang may libre ka namang tubig.
Oo. Yung journalist walang libre.
Journalist walang
ng
tubig.
sa World Cup. So yun yung difference niya from covering both. So maraming media guidelines and it depends
Yep.
on what sport. And I just learned it eventually. I mean per event. So pag may ibang question pa yun.
Ay, covering volleyball. Wala akong ma-apply eh, kasi ang daming media for volleyball. Pag football, minsan ikaw lang mag-isa eh. So, bakit? Totoo naman. It's funny, it's true. Ayun, minsan ikaw lang. Whereas volleyball, talagang dumog. Alam mo yun, na hindi ka na makaka-record minsan.
Manonood ka na.
Manonood ka na lang, ganun. Yun. And then what I like about, hindi man what I like, kasi like what Pam said, I'm talking about UAAP volleyball kasi I haven't covered, AVC. Kahit saan pwede kang pumesto. Sa football, Danes talaga. Okay, next question from Nico via X also.
Sasagutin pa ba natin
Oh my
talaga
God.
yan? End na tayo.
Sagutin ko ba to?
Wag na.
Oh, sige, let's skip that.
Sorry.
And sabi ko na yung pangalan niya. Okay, itong isa?
Last.
What's LF's what is Laban Filipinas involvement in the WFL? Obviously, KitKat cannot answer.
KitKat cannot answer. Well, of course, support. Space pa rin.
Yeah, space.
So, we will cover a women's league.
Mm.
So, yun. If you can see naman our page, collabs are there.
Yeah.
Welcome all teams to collab sa Laban Filipinas. So, hopefully we can work out things with them also.
Well, we just cover, that's it.
Yeah, cover. Yun.
Oh, there's a question from Ryan Phoenix. What changes do you hope to see in all things women's sports in the Philippines? Media coverage, etc. Kit, you want to answer
Yan
that?
naman, challenging
I
na
can
naman.
make it short.
Yes,
Yes.
short,
I was
go.
thinking of it kanina pa. actually.
Go.
Pali.
Trend it. Go, Kit.
It just takes just that one person to get involved, and then everything will start to follow afterwards, because I saw that also in the US when they started the WNSL.
Yes.
The WSL. It just took a little bit of faith and hope and a little bit of just that one person to turn things around, and then everything started, and then now they have more teams coming in, more fan support, and that is what I noticed is slowly happening here in the Philippines ever since the World Cup, ever since the qualifications of other women athletes in different sports. Once something goes, everyone follows, and what I see, it's slowly growing. So
Okay, that's
Yeah.
it. That's the answer. No,
That's the answer.
Hindi na kami sasagot. Thank you, Kit.
Wala nang question.
Wala na.
Wala nang mga ano. Yung mga naghanap ng live stream, eto na yun.
Oy,
Bakit? Walang live stream. Ito na yung live stream. Chakat lang.
shout out. There's a game before we
May
end
game
it.
later.
May game later. Good luck, girls.
Parang may nakita ako dito. Hindi natin sasagutin.
Good luck, girls. Good luck, girls, later kasi walang stream, so magabang lang kami sa update ng isang GC.
and
To
also-
know.
there's updates also on what's that, Google, the Google stats
yeah?
sheet.
Oh.
Yeah, there's updates also there. So
Okay, so yun. We'll go, good luck, girls, later in your game against UAE. So, pagpupuyatan, holiday tomorrow eh.
yes,
So, yeah.
good luck.
May gusto ko pa-end sa atin na quote lang.
Ano?
Sorry. We'd rather light the candle than curse the darkness. Ay, grabe
Sino
naman
yan?
Grabe naman. But yeah, thank you. Hoping you say hi, show your support.
Please say hi.
to
One
Laban
hi is one
Pilipinas.
sticker. Chakat.
Ay! One hi, one sticker. So, yun. Thank you. Sana hindi kayo napagod makinig sa amin. Yeah. And yeah, Laban Filipinas.
Yes. Thank you.
Ano, team song? Team song yung ano, chismisan. Charing.
End time.
Thank you. Ay, salamat. Naiihina ako.